In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut these crowns of broccoli into smaller florets and what to do with the broccoli trunk, stem. The first thing you want to do is wash your broccoli well. I like to run it under water and also use a bowl to help release any dirt that might be trapped in there. Depending on your grocery store, you might find your broccoli crowns sold like this with shorter stems or longer ones. So what I like to do is the first pass is to take my knife and cut it right under the broccoli tops by what looks like the flower part. Now, some broccoli varieties have a longer stem right off the trunk right here, and others are really tight. Just get your knife in there really close and slice it down. As I slice away the tops, I separate them from the trunk. And now when you have one big piece like this, I take my knife and slice the florets into smaller pieces. This is especially important if you're going to roast them so they cook evenly. If you're steaming or microwaving your broccoli, a bigger crown doesn't matter. But again, if you're sauteing or stir frying or roasting, you want those smaller pieces. When it comes to the trunk, what I usually do is I slice off the very end, and now I have a nice straight piece. And then I just take that whole trunk and slice it in half. So it's more like that. And then into quarters. Now, some people don't like the stem or trunks, and that's okay, but if you like them roasted, they're really great. So then I just cube them into smaller pieces. The reason these get cut much smaller is because they are much denser and they take longer to cook compared to the floret part. And as long as all the trunk pieces are more or less the same size, then these will roast equally. Let me know in the comments how your broccoli slicing went and whether you eat these trunks. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.